Is your iPhone getting hotter than usual? Maybe it warms up after scrolling while charging, or even when you're not doing anything at all. The truth is, iPhone overheating is extremely common, but most people have no idea why it happens or how to fix it. In this video, I'll explain the real reasons your iPhone heats up, when overheating becomes dangerous, and 5 simple steps you can take right now to cool it down instantly. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most common reasons your iPhone overheats. Number 1. After new updates. Every time you update your iPhone, it reorganizes and re-indexes your files in the background. This process can take up to 2 days, and during that time, your device may feel warm. This is completely normal. Number 2. Resource-heavy apps. Apps like TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat are some of the biggest culprits. They constantly refresh content, run background processes, and use your camera, causing your phone to heat up faster. Number 3. Heavy games. High graphics games demand a lot from your processor and GPU, which naturally generates heat. Number 4. Fast charging. If you're charging your phone, especially with a fast charger, and using it at the same time, heat builds up quickly. And number 5. Hot weather. If you're outside in the sun or in a warm environment, your iPhone can heat up even with light usage. Overheating isn't always a cause for alarm, but there are warning signs you shouldn't ignore. If your iPhone starts lowering the brightness on its own, if apps suddenly close without reason, if your charging slows down dramatically, or if you get that temperature warning screen, those are signs your device is protecting itself from heat damage. Now let's go through 5 steps to reduce iPhone heat immediately. First, turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off. This stops apps from constantly running behind the scenes, which reduces heat and saves battery. Next, turn off a setting called Significant Locations. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services, Significant Locations, and disable it. This feature tracks everywhere you go constantly, which can cause unnecessary heat. Turning it off helps your iPhone stay cooler. Step 3 is optional because not all iPhones show this feature. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services, Networking and Wireless, and turn it off. When your network signal is weak, this setting forces your device to search harder for a connection, which generates heat. Disabling it can keep your iPhone cooler in poor signal areas. Step 4. If your phone gets hot while charging, switch on airplane mode. This stops your iPhone from searching for signals, which reduces heat and even speeds up charging. And number 5, let your phone rest while charging. Try not to game, watch videos, or scroll on social platforms while it's plugged in. Using your phone during charging creates heat faster than your device can handle. Finally, if your iPhone continues to overheat even after doing all of these steps, the problem might be caused by an app you recently installed. Deleting the app usually solves the issue within a minute or 2. And that's it. These are the most common reasons your iPhone overheats, and the simple fixes that can cool it down instantly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden settings. Thanks for watching.